Well, guys, hi. This is All Life Things. Harris. Well, here's an update on my scooter, my moped, my SM Rocket, JIG Rocket. Is she still sits here? I'm still waiting to see. It's gonna be until Monday. It just keeps getting later and later. I can't get no one to come and get it. You know, my uncle. I don't know if he'll help out. He usually is pretty stingy about because his truck, which is the Wicker Truck and I'm going to say just association. It's another name, but I just don't want to say the name of the whole company because if it's copyright, but yeah, it's not covered by liability, or I'm not. Like if my mom drives and something happens, she'd have to pay or something if a wreck happens or it falls off or damages the truck or we damage the actual truck or whatever. Just to say if a wreck were to happen. So to make a long story short, her friend Brian's my only hope to come and get it Monday or whatever. So if not, I'm gonna have to push it up there Monday. I told her I was gonna do it today, my mom, but she said wait, and I agreed. So we can see. We don't know for sure if we could still get Brian to get it, someone to get it, her friend Brian. So wanted to update y'all very quick about this thing. So it still sits here, not even able to turn over. So God is great, so I know this will work out eventually. It may not be right away, but He's always on time, if you know what I mean. All right, you guys, like and subscribe to All Life Things. Harris, and have a wonderful and blessed Saturday.